If you're struggling to get more veggies into your diet, this is a simple, nutritious way to do that. And healthy and delicious and I am a robot. Today we're making one of my favorite side dishes. It's fresh, it's crisp, it is healthy, it goes great for summer barbecues and parties and cookouts. It is a cucumber, tomato, and avocado salad. When I was writing this recipe, I realized that almost every single ingredient in this recipe could be found in our garden. We have a farm stand garden out back and we grow almost every single thing that's in this recipe, aside from the avocados, though that is my husband Zach's dream, is to have an avocado tree in our backyard. You can definitely get these at the store, but if you have a garden, just this recipe will blow your mind. It's so good. We're gonna start by making the dressing. You need about a fourth a cup of olive oil. Avocado oil will work too. 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime juice. We've got 2 cloves of fresh garlic going in. A tablespoon of honey. Might need this spatula for that. And a half a teaspoon of salt and about a fourth a cup of chopped cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you can use parsley. Dill would also be really good. All things you can find in your garden. Give this a nice whisk. And then we're just gonna set this aside to make the actual salad. I've got the majority of it prepped here, but I wanna show you quickly how you chop everything. So we're gonna start by just slicing the tomatoes in half lengthwise. It's really good to use a really sharp knife, or a serrated knife is really good for chopping tomatoes. Throw those in. And then we're gonna be using a medium to large English cucumber. You're gonna cut it in half lengthwise. Awesome. We'll cut this in half again to make it a little bit easier. You're gonna scoop out the center to just get some of those seeds out. We'll do it on the other half. You can just discard these seeds. Right. And then you just chop this into small little slices. We are using a English cucumber here because the skin is a little bit thinner and it's not so bitter. So if you can't find an English cucumber, you may need to peel it just a bit to get the skin off. And we're getting to the star of the show for this recipe, some avocados. You want them a little bit firm but squishy to the touch. You don't want them too ripe or too hard that you can't cut them. So you're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna cut it into quarters. Peel off the skin. We'll actually cut it one more time. Avocados are full of healthy fats, and they're also full of fiber. Avocados have almost 10 grams of fiber in them, so they make a really good addition to any meal to keep you full, to get you all the fiber you need for your day. A lot of us don't get all that fiber, so it's just a great star of the show. Now comes the easiest part of the recipe. You just throw everything together. We're gonna start with our tomatoes, our cucumber. We've got some diced red onion. And you guessed it, the avocado. Wow, look at that. If you don't know what to take to a barbecue or a cookout, take this. You will not regret it. Everybody there will not regret that you brought it. Okay. Now that dressing that we made earlier is gonna go in right on top. Just drizzle it on over. Make sure you get all that fresh lime juice and cilantro. Fresh herbs and avocado and tomatoes just go wonderful together. Mix it up. If you're taking this to a party, I would leave the dressing off, and then once you get there, just throw it on top and mix it all up right before you serve it. That way nothing gets soggy. Make sure you cover it really well so those avocados stay nice and green and don't get kind of brown on you. We love to throw this together when we're grilling out on the weekdays. Our daughter actually really loves this. It's a good way to get her to eat avocados. And start to finish, this probably takes, what, 15 minutes? So super healthy, super fresh, ready in a few minutes, great for cookouts. It's hard to resist not picking at the cucumbers and the tomatoes, and the second that you bite into a cucumber, it just like bursts in your mouth flavor. The cilantro is so good. And the citrus is kind of sneaky, but it makes everything so much brighter. Avocado is a really fatty, rich food, so adding some brightness to it really makes it a lot more delicious. So one last bite. I'm gonna try to get every single thing, a little crunch from the onion, tomato, and cucumber all in one bite. This is so good. Thanks so much for hanging in the kitchen with me today. I hope you're still hungry because I have some more wholesome, healthy recipes for you to try.